Hello everyone and welcome back to another ASMR video here at Almost ASMR. Today I have this gorgeous girl, and today she requires brushing. So sit back and relax and enjoy these relaxing brushing sounds. Grab yourself a cozy drink or a cozy blanket and let's begin. Okay. It seems as though my guest has disappeared, but she will be back shortly. Sit. Lie down. Good girl. That deserves a treat. It is currently raining outside. Hopefully that's not a bother, and that it just adds to the relaxing experience. And here we have quite a bit of, oh dear, she's going to knock the camera over. Quite a bit of fluff coming out. So just going to get rid of that. Good girl. That was really cute. Relax. Just relax. Good girl. Good girl. Well done. Just relax. Our little sweetheart here is very close to knocking the camera over. But don't be alarmed, because when that happens, we'll just reposition the camera. Oh, that's a good bit there. And we'll just grab her tail. Her little tail here. Her little tail. She's playing hard to get with her tail. Good girl. Oh, sorry. Did that tickle or did that hurt? It seems as though Nora is. She just whacked the camera with her tail. Good girl. Good girl. So I hope that all of you are doing very well. I am currently house sitting, so I am very lucky to be looking after our beautiful baby here today. Thank you very much for clicking on this video and supporting our channel. It means a lot to my brother and I. Just relax. Just relax, sweetheart. Just relax. Relax, sweetheart. Good girl. That's a good girl. Well done, baby. I think she is becoming relaxed now. And hopefully you are as well. Please excuse the cats in the background. They may cause a ruckus. I'll just try to edit that out. But just relax, 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 relax. All you have to do is relax. So far, here's all the fur that we've collected. I think she's really enjoying this. Oh, she didn't like the touching her legs there. So we'll just try to focus on her tummy and her shoulders. Good girl.